Hello guys, good night. So it took me plenty of tries before getting all these aperture leaves to line up in position, and to be honest, this one took me a long time. I overhauled another one a couple of months before, but I don't remember spending so much time putting the iris back. Now, what complicated this is that I have exactly 12 iris leaves to think about, and some of the iris leaves are a bit warped, so they don't lay flat, and yeah, that took me a lot of time. But as you can see right now, it's working fine. You really don't have to lubricate this part. I'm pretty sure that they don't lubricate the iris as well, straight from the factory. Now, like I said on the previous video, oil migrates to the iris when the constitution of the grease or lubricant is compromised. And one of the reasons for it to be compromised is when you leave it under the sun for too long or inside the car on a hot day, and that will destroy the constitution, ruin the constitution of the grease, and it will separate into its spare components. And so the oil holding the soap or lubricant or whatever migrates elsewhere. Now, as you can see, I've put some thread locking compound here, 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 and here. This ring is not secured with anything, so yeah, I have to do that to the retaining ring. And here I'll show you, I have a scratch here where my compass slipped. Now, this is not usual, but I'm going to tell you that it's unavoidable sometimes when tools slip. You want to keep that at a minimum. I actually don't feel very good seeing this, but whatever. It's not going to affect anything because the optics is way over here, so this thing is covered by the casing of the optic. So yeah, that's it. This one took me a long time to do. So yeah, see you guys again. Thank you. Bye bye.